Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Serpstat keyword exports for USA keyword research, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Serpstat website. Log into your Serpstat account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the keyword research section in the main navigation menu. Select keywords to access the keyword research tools. In the keyword input box, enter the specific keywords you want to research for the USA. Choose the appropriate settings for your search, ensuring you have selected the USA as your target location. Click on the search button to initiate the keyword analysis. Once the results load, you will see a list of related keywords along with their metrics. Review the keywords and select the ones you wish to export. Look for the export option, typically located above the keyword list. Click on the Export button to reveal the available export formats. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the download link. Your browser will prompt you to save the file to your device. Choose the destination folder for saving the file and confirm the download. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file was saved. Open the downloaded file using a compatible application, such as Excel or Google Sheets. You can now analyze the keyword data for your USA keyword research. Make sure to repeat the process as necessary for more keywords or additional insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.